Happy New Year! Lucky Tony is here. Many of us starting each new year with new promises, decisions or resolutions. And for those who decide to make a healthy lifestyle change, this video is for you. Today we will talk about natural immune system boosters. By making positive changes that will improve the overall quality of life, these goals will likely become a regular part of everyday life. It's important to remember that with any kind of your decision or resolutions, what you made starting this new year, you not will get them during overnight. And also getting healthy takes time. But with this video, I will give you some easy but very important tips to help in starting your new lifestyle change. First tip, get moving. I know what you think, I am too busy or I'm too out of shape, but believe me, there is always a way. Just take 10 minutes every day and many times per day. That's the first 10 minutes in the morning for exercises, after 10 minutes walking in the park, and you will be amazed about the results after. For second, set measurable goals, and once you have achieved them, the new one, be specific with your goals and set something attainable. Drink water more often. Water is free of calories and is the healthiest drink to choose to keep hydrated. For next, eat slower. Give yourself the opportunity to taste the food and be less in a hurry. Understand and watch your portion size. Use a small plate as a visual at meal times. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables daily. In the meantime, limit empty calorie foods like sweets and soda. And of course, don't forget to take right natural food supplements, what can help boost your immune system and reach the goals of healthy lifestyle. I really believe 4 life transfer factors, and they are absolutely natural, and it's the best what the nature can offer to us at the moment. More information about 4 life transfer factors you can get if you will clicking the link below or the link in the video description area. This new year, keep all the basic about eating and activity principles in mind and make some changes that can last a lifetime. Thank you.